Hello, this is Stacy from trulymajestic.com. Today I'm making this super duper creamy, very dark spinach soup. I followed this video on YouTube and I'll just let it play very quickly. It's very obvious what it's doing. Before I go any further, let me know if you would like spinach soup for lunch or for your evening meal. Which do you prefer soups at? Anyways, this is what I did. Minus the milk. I did not put milk in mine, I just used water, but everything else is pretty much the same. However, at the end, I decided to add something extra special, and that was one very big heaping tablespoon of powdered spirulina, which is a natural algae, and it is so dark green it's almost black. And that gave my soup a completely different color and a little bit of a different flavor as well. I love how it turned out. I would actually do this on a regular basis. It was so yummy. So you can see how dark my soup is and the totally different texture it has, and you can tell the flavor is also a lot different. But it was really a good variation and I would do it anytime. Again, please check the description for the original videos and for more of my food videos. Thanks for watching.